There are three major properties of addition. They are order property, groups property, and zero property. Click each property to learn more. Every morning, Pasha goes to school by walking up to the bus stop, which is 250 meters away from his house. He then gets into the school bus and travels a distance of 3,000 meters from the bus stop to his school. How will you calculate the total distance traveled by Pasha? Yes, you'll add 250 meters and 3,000 meters. This will give us 3,250 meters. Now let's see how Pasha returns home from school. He gets into the school bus and travels a distance of 3,000 meters from the school to the bus stop near his house. He then walks a distance of 250 meters from the bus stop to his house. How will you calculate the total distance traveled by Pasha now? Well, you'll add 3,000 meters and 250 meters. That will give you 3,250 meters. Did you notice that in both cases, the total distance traveled by Pasha was the same? This means that even if you change the order in which two numbers are added, the sum of the numbers remains the same. This is called the order property of addition. Jia, Jiggy and Pasha are having fun on a beach. They are collecting shells from the sand to make fancy necklaces out of them. Jia has collected 14 shells, Jiggy has collected 10 shells, and Pasha has collected 15 shells. Let's find the total number of shells collected. First, let us add Jia's shells with Jiggy's shells and count them. Here we have 14 plus 10, which is equal to 24. Next, let's add these shells to Pasha's shells. We have 24 plus 15, which is equal to 39. So, the total number of shells is 39. Now let's do the addition again in a different way. Here are Jia's 14 shells, Jiggy's 10 shells and Pasha's 15 shells. First, let us add Jiggy's shells with Pasha's shells. We have 10 plus 15, which is equal to 25. Next, let's add these shells to Jia's shells. So we have 14 plus 25, which is equal to 39. So in both cases, the answer is 39. This means that when more than two numbers are added, they can be grouped in any way. The sum of the numbers remains the same. This is called the group's property of addition. It's a lovely Sunday morning and there's an exciting cricket match in progress on the playground. Jiggy's team has scored 19 runs so far and Jiggy has just come out to bat. Jiggy faces his first ball and... oh no! He is bowled! Jiggy has scored 0 runs. This means Jiggy has added 0 runs to the team's score. So the total score is 19 plus 0, that is 19. So as you can see, when 0 is added to a number, we get the number itself. This is called the zero property of addition. Also, when a number is added to 0, we get the number itself.